Hello, if you are wondering if there is dual SIM available on OnePlus Nord for 5G, then the answer is yes, and I'm gonna show you the proof. So over here I have the pin for the SIM tray. Over here, of course, at the bottom we have the SIM tray as well, and let's place the pin inside that hole over here in order to open the SIM tray. There we go. Now let's take it out. And over here I already have my SIM card inserted into SIM 1, but at the back we also have SIM 2, it is even stated like that. So if you have another SIM card, then all you need to do is of course match the image that is shown on the slot, and then place the card like so. Just put it in, put it fully in, otherwise we might lose the card in the process. There we go. One side. Alright, it's in. And of course, SIM 1 is the front, the face, so we put it back in, and that's it. So yeah, we can use two SIM cards at the same time. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!